Namaste. Today I am going to make Gujarati Thepla and now I am going to tell you the process. This is 1.5 cup of atta, 1/4 cup of besan, half katori of curd, 4 tablespoons of kasuri powder. Because in summer fresh methi is not available, so I am using this. A pinch of hing, one teaspoon of ajwain, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, bit of red chili, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, and salt to taste. And now I am going to make a dough. I will mix it and put a little bit of water slowly to make it soft and smooth. And now the dough is ready. And now we are going to put some oil to make it more soft. And now I am going to put it on rest for 10 minutes. Now the 10 minutes are done, so we are going to take small pieces of round shape of the dough. Put it in the atta. And now we will start rolling it up. And now I am going to light up the gas. And now I am going to put the tawa on it. Now let's roll it like a roti. And now I am going to put it on the tawa. And now I am going to flip it and put some ghee on it. Now I am going to flip it again and put some ghee on the other side too. And now let's cook it. The thepla is ready and now I am going to put it in the casserole. Afterwards we can make more theplas and eat with pickles and some curd. Thank you.